And right now we are in horrible market conditions, as we all know, because of Trump. And I've listed a lot of things down that I think you guys are going to need to take notes on. And obviously I just hit stop loss on one of my trades, but recently trading has been absolutely amazing, and I'd call myself profitable. I am a profitable trader now because of this, because I've implemented this. Let me read you, hold on, let me close this. Let me read you some things, because these past 2 weeks I've noted a lot of things, and I think this is really going to help you. Recently, markets have liked presenting opportunities later in the day. So that means liquidity sweeps happen later in the day. As you guys have noticed, you're sitting there, market open, no liquidity sweeps. You're like, fuck, bro, maybe I should wait for macro. After macro, nothing happens. And yeah, liquidity sweeps just happen later. So that means the opportunities happen later and they drag on longer for that day. So I'd recommend getting on later than you usually do. I get on around 250. I get around market open, but today I literally, the longest trading day I've ever had. Fair value gaps also, I've noticed fair value gaps get slightly disrespected, as we traders would like to call them, but they still work. It's a very weird thing, right? And I don't know if this is going to keep on going longer, but as of recently, fair value gaps just keep on getting disrespected. And before this, as soon as I saw that disrespect and that candle close, pressing the close button because I didn't want to lose more money, and it would just go back to my target. So don't worry about the disrespected fair value gaps. Just let them run. Let the trade run and see what happens. Because as of recently, that has been my biggest issue. And I've sold it these past couple of weeks. Because I've just let the trades flow. It's just been amazing. And see what happens. See maybe if this keeps on going for longer. Daily bias also, it seems to be way clearer. Every time I see it, I feel like maybe this is because I'm in a high time frame trend. But daily bias is just so much easier to recognize for me personally, but I am quite experienced at this. The second liquidity sweep, so let's say London lows get swept, and then you're waiting to target that London high. They normally get hit way later in the day, and I've noticed even at lunchtime, which normally 5 to 6 p.m. UK time, or what is it? Yeah, 12 to 1 o'clock New York time, market just seems to be still going on, and it's not really unpredictable. And normally the second liquidity sweep takes place on that lunchtime period. So it's very weird, guys, but you have to listen. You have to adapt to these markets, because as I said before, an adaptable trader makes an adaptable fucking profitable trader. That's what I was trying to say. Guys, put your stop losses higher than usual. This is what I've been doing, obviously, for this trade. And I still think it's going to go and hit that second liquidity sweep. But I've already risked my 2% for the day, which is what I usually risk these days. Actually, even more. So guys, put your stop losses way higher than they usually are. Because as I said, overall, Trump's markets have been so fucking manipulative. They have been extreme. They've just been making money, bro. The markets have been taking money from you because you don't know these things, all right? So manipulative. I got manipulated today, right? I can tell you, and I promise you, right? I've obviously closed out of my positions. I made a little bit of money, but overall, I'm not in profit for this trade. This week I've been profitable, let me tell you. But I bet you that this is going to go down to that take profit, that little blue bit at the end. And I promise you, boys, because it's been super manipulative. So let's say if you place your stop loss on a high, last high, put it higher, all right? Just trust me, boys, on this. And you have to just be smart and be patient. See when the manipulative things are happening and implement it in your trading, boys, because these Trump markets, have just been, you guys saw it as well, they have been horrible for like a month. And then now they're kind of smoothing back in, and the markets aren't smooth in no way whatsoever. I mean, the price action is absolute dog shit, but you still have to adapt. You still have to make money as a trader. This is how we fucking eat. Talking about eating, I'm pretty hungry. Guys, that's all I have. And that's just for people that trade my strategy or trade the strategy that I trade. Get adapting, guys. Listen to these things. I hope you noted this stuff down, because this might be the new future of our trading. You never know, because market's always adapting. They're never going to just stay the same, boys. Think of it realistically. This, you know, ICT strategy is a wonderful strategy. It's been working for years and years and years and decades, but something, you know, might change very soon, and it slowly is starting to change. So implement this stuff. I'm literally dropping you guys free game, YouTube game. I don't get paid for this, nothing, boys. I just want to help you out, and I kind of just want to record myself so I can look back on it later if I ever need to. So I'll post this on YouTube and wherever else.